I don't know what to call this. Let's just say it's a bow with borders coming up. Hey crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but you are free to call me Risa. In this video, I will show you how to make a unique bow. This is actually a classic bow, but I add a border on all 4 edges. It looks simple, but actually I need about 2 weeks to figure out how to make this bow easily. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this is my first time to set the camera a little higher than usual, and I hope you can still see what I'm doing here because I have to take a look like this. First, let us choose the fabric. I am using cotton fabric for this, and the reason that I like cotton fabric is because it's easy to sew and there's a lot of variety for us to choose. Flower pattern, polka dot, and we can mix and match the fabric. Handmade is all about our preferences. You can mix and match and there's nothing wrong with handmade. So the size is about 15 by 9 centimeters. Next, we are going to prepare the border for the bow. I have cut my fabric to the width is about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. If you can hardly cut this little strip of fabric, you can use ribbons like satin, grosgrain, or even cotton ribbon. With this little fabric size, the final result for my border is about 1 centimeter. If you want to make the border wider like this one, you may need 4 or 5 centimeters for the little fabric. First, we are going to place the border right here. Make it a little longer than our fabric. Place it here, and we are going to sew this part. Remember to put the border a little longer than the fabric, and we can start sewing it. Once again, after this, we are going to press the fabric over. Just fold it and press it. After we press the fabric, prepare another fabric for the bow and place it right here. Remember that it should be a little longer than the fabric. And place another one, and we are going to sew this part. Once again, we will press the fabric. Fold it over and press it. Next, prepare a fabric that is larger than our previous fabric, and we are going to flip it over, place the fabric on the top side, and this is really optional that I always do, is to put a sponge fabric or felt fabric inside. So I will put this fabric on the bottom part and place it here, and I am going to sew all around the fabric and leave an opening right in the center. This is really optional. As you can see, I didn't put the sponge inside this, and this is a little thin compared to the other bow. A little puffy or bouncy if we press it a little. This is to make the bow shape look sturdy. Once again, I say this is really optional. You want to skip this part, it's really fine. You can just take this to the sewing machine and sew all around the fabric. I will start sewing from here and do a back stitch. Place the needle down and then lift up the presser foot, and I can adjust the fabric just fine. And this is the back side. Now you can cut the fabric according to the shape. Now I will cut the corner like this. Remember not to cut through the thread. This is to make the bow will have a nice corner, nice and pointy corner. Now I will trim the sponge just a little to the shape to show you how it looks like. So now we are going to turn the fabric right side out through this opening. Next is to take a pointy staff to push the corner. Next, let us draw the center of the fabric. Just like this. Next, prepare your needle and thread, and we are going to gather the fabric right in the center. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. Next, prepare a hair clip. I am using 3-inch hair clip or 8 centimeters. Attach the hair clip with hot glue gun, of course. And next, we are going to finish the center. Prepare a fabric. The size is about 12 by 4 centimeters. I have folded the fabric to the center and then fold it in half. And we are going to attach this to the center of the bow and sew this part for the last time. Cut the excess fabric, flip it over, measure it on the one side and then another side. If it is symmetrical and it has a perfect size, I will add some glue right in the center to make it stays in place. And that's it! Our beautiful bow with borders is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye bye!